Hey Shelly, thank you so much for the email about getting a link to the evaluation for Mr. Turner. So this is TK20 when Mr. Turner logs in. So Raymond, I know it's you because it says high in the top. From the home screen, if you go to Field Experience, and then go to the Block 2. So we've got Block 2 for Alexis and Block 2 for Miss Rodriguez. So if we click on Miss Rodriguez, she's the one who reached out. Then the evaluation is going to be right here for you. So when you click on her name, you get a split screen with your information on the right hand side. So if you click on the evaluation is going to pop up right here for you. You go through, click for the competencies moving forward. At the bottom, this is where you would save and close. Do not worry about putting a grade in. This is a hard-coded part of this system. We're not using this for grades. You can put AAA plus in if you would like, but it will have no impact. And when you're finished, go ahead and save and close for me. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Thanks.